Hello everyone, you're welcome back to yet another tech tutorials with Risa on the Risa's campus. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an image from just a text using artificial intelligence. All you need to do is to describe your image, and then this website is going to produce an image based on what you described in your text. So for example, the images that you see right now on your screen, they are produced just from a text. So I just wrote down some few text describing what I want, and voila, this website produced an image for me. Okay, so I just downloaded the image and then placed on my gallery. Even this cute looking baby. That is how awesome this website is. The good thing is that you can get access to this website for free. I'm going to be showing you the full tutorials on how you can use this website on your mobile phone. Okay guys, so without much talking, let's get right into the tutorials. First, we're going to need to download an app called Discord. So open up Play Store and go to the search bar and type in Discord. Just click install and then install it on your phone. Now open it up, and then it takes you here. We're going to need to register. So click on register and then go to email. So click on email and then insert your email address right here. Then click next, and then next is to pick a username. So you can write any name that you want. So I'm going to type in Risa and then type in your password. Click next. Then next is your date of birth. Type in your date of birth. Once you click there, it's going to take you to this page where you can just choose and then click create an account. Next, you need to verify that you're human. So they're going to give you a puzzle for you to solve. And then once you're done solving the puzzle, you're going to click on verify. It's going to take you here where you need to choose a profile picture. You can add a profile picture here, but I'm going to skip. So click on skip at the top and then click again on skip for now. Click the next button again. So you're going to be led here. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on the plus sign. Click on create my own. Next, tell us more about your server. So they give you two answers, so you can choose any of the answers given, or you can skip the question. So you can see your server name is there. You can choose to upload a picture, or just click on create server and you'll be able to create your server. You can also change the name of your server if you want from here, but I'm going to leave it like that and then click create server. Now we are done, so you can just skip this part by clicking on skip at the top. Okay, so this is my server. My server has been created. So that is all. So the next thing now is to go to the Midjourney's website. But before that, we need to go to our email address to verify the email address that we use to create our Discord ad. Okay, to register with Discord. So open up your email. You're going to see Discord is going to send an email like this. Click on verify email and next click continue to Discord. Next, we're going to go to Google. So open up Google and then just type in Midjourney on the search bar. Next, we're going to scroll where you see Midjourney. This is the official website address, so make sure you see that. So click and it takes you to their home page. Then click on join the beta. Once it's opened up, you're going to see this message. Click accept invite. Once it's open, click confirm. And then it leads you here. We're going to need to play a puzzle again to verify if you're human. Once you're done with your puzzle, click verify. So this is a official Midjourney server. Okay, so you can see other images that people are creating from their own imagination just by writing the text. Next, we're going to go to the three lines at the top, click on the three lines, and then we're going to scroll. Where you see newbies 124, click there. So that's a newcomer room. Okay, so it is open. So the next thing is we're going to add our server, our newly created server, to the Midjourney's boot. So click on the human icon at the top, and then just scroll down. You're going to see Midjourney boot right here. Click on the Midjourney boot, and then we're going to click add to server. Next is going to lead you here where you can add your server to Midjourney. So click select a server, click the arrow, and you're going to see your server's name. Click the box and click continue, and then click authorize. Okay, so we have created a server, added it to Midjourney, and now it is time to start the process of creating our image. So click on the four lines at the top, the three lines, sorry. To start, we're going to click on the little logo that Midjourney has created for us on the left side. You can see RS. Then next, click general, and it's going to take you here. So this is where we're going to start creating our image. So make sure you scroll a bit up to see this message bar. So to start, I'm going to first of all insert an image. You're going to see an image icon next to the message bar. Okay, so I have fast forwarded it, that's why you see the X there. So once you click it, you'll be able to upload the images, your gallery, images from your gallery like this. Okay, so that's why you see the X instead of the image, because I've already clicked and it's open. Now I can just choose an image from my gallery and then insert it onto Midjourney. Also open up your camera and then take a snapshot directly using Midjourney, and you can just upload it on Midjourney. So you can also use your camera. So I'm going to choose an image from my gallery. I'm going to choose an image of myself to see if I can create an avatar of myself. Okay, so I'm going to choose this image. So once your image is up there, click the blue arrow and it's going to download, it's going to load up. So the next thing we're going to do now is to copy the link of this image, and to do that, just tap on the image and then click on the three dots at the top. You're going to see share, click on share, and you're going to see copy to clipboard. So going to copy the link, click there, and you have already copied the link of that image. Click the X to go back, and then next we're going to go to the message tab. So this is the most important. So there's a prompt that you need to use in order to write a message. So this part is very important. So this is a part that you need to describe what you want Midjourney to do to your image. So this prompt is very important. So this is where we're going to type in the message. So to type in a message, you need to start with a command, which is the prompt, and the command is /imagine. Then you're going to see prompt, click on prompt. So just give a space, and then we're going to paste the link of our image first, and then give a comma and then a space, and then you can start typing in your description of what you want Midjourney to do to your image. Okay, so every time you type in a description, make sure you put in a comma. Okay, that is how it works. So I'm going to type in anything right here, so you can see. So you can just type in anything. Okay, anything that crosses your imagination, you can type it in here. So the only thing is to make sure that once you type in a description, give a space. So as you can see, I'm just typing anything that comes in my mind. Beautiful cyberpunk cartoon. And then the last command after you're done with your description is to give a space and then 2 dashes, and then give a space and then V, and then a space again, V4. So that is all. Click the arrow and you just wait. We're going to accept the TOS. So if you're just starting to use Midjourney, you're going to need to accept the TOS. So click accept. Wait. You're going to see waiting to start. Just be patient, and then Midjourney is going to give you the image or the avatar based on your description. So they're going to take your image as a reference in order to produce their own image. Okay, so you have to be patient until it is fully loaded. Okay, so that is the image. So they're going to give you 4 different images. Okay, so you can see that it's a cyberpunk, and then yeah, it looks like my picture, but not really quite. All right. Okay, so the good thing is that you can always change the description and then ask Midjourney to produce another image. Now you can decide to upscale each image individually. If you look at the bottom, you're going to see U1, U2, U3, U4. So each corresponds to the image. So the U1 corresponds to the first image, and then you can just click on U2 to open up the second image. Okay, in case you like that one better. So you're going to see waiting. Okay, so Midjourney is trying to produce your command. Okay, so you can see this is the U2 that I've chosen. So it upscales it, it makes the image bigger. So this is it. Okay, so you can decide to choose this image if you want. Okay, so I'm going to do another image. Okay, so we're going to start with our prompt, which is a slash imagine prompt, and then give a space, and then we're going to use an image. This is where we paste the link of the image, and then we're going to give a command, then start giving a description. So we're going to change the description a bit so that Midjourney can at least produce what we want. So I'm going to write realistic, beautiful, something black. Just include black in it so that they can understand. And again, always give a comma to separate the descriptions. End it with 2 dash underscore dash and V4. Okay, so make sure you separate the V and the 4 with a space, and then we're going to wait. So this is the image. This is our image that Midjourney has produced. So this is a darker version of me. So this is a different picture. So of course, if you like the picture, you can upscale it, and to do that you can just scroll down and scroll up a bit, and you're going to see the upscale options. So you can see the upscale for the different pictures. So we're going to use number 4. So click U4 and then just wait, and it's going to upscale the image. So this is it right here. So this is a different image. So this is the image. Yeah, so and that is what Midjourney had to produce. Okay, so you can see. So I don't blame them because I had to specify black. So you can put brown and then see something different. Okay, so once you like the image, you can download the image to your phone or to your laptop. So click on the image and it's going to open up. You're going to wait and until it is 100%. That's when it's done loading up. To download the image, just click on the image for long and you're going to see save. Click on save, and that is it. The image is going to be saved into your gallery. As you can see, I also created a logo, so you can see the description. So this tool is going to help you bring out your imagination, so you can see different logos. So you can just think of something, and then this tool is going to bring out an image of your imagination of what you're thinking. Isn't that so cool? So this is another image. Okay, so I created so many different beautiful black girls images out of this tool. So these are them. Okay, Okay guys, so that is the end of this tutorials. You can use this tool anytime to create, to bring out your imagination. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also tap on the little bell icon so that YouTube will be able to notify you and tell you, hey, I just uploaded another video, so that you can be the first to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.